So here we are at Zach and Jack's appointment. We're gonna get their tongue tie check, and there's this cool little screen that he likes here. It's really reacting to me because I'm probably the one that it's seeing, but yeah, look at him. Zach, you like the ocean? Yeah. Whoa, it's moving so fast, huh, bud? Yeah, what's happening? Wow, that's how you feel. So cool. So cool. So we wrapped up the checkup, and so far, I mean, nothing that is in dire need, which is always good. So we're just gonna monitor Jack here. Hi, buddy. Oh, bless you. All right, we gotta go. Let's go, so we don't get hit with nasty traffic. Come on. Okay, Mama's gonna carry you. All right, so we're heading out. We're gonna grab some lunch for these boys, and yeah. Say bye, Zach. So now we're working with fruits. No more fish. Jack, what do you think? Oh, they switched it. What's that? It's just sand. What is that? Whoa, we're doing archaeology. We're doing some archaeology, Jack. It's a dino. Lambeosaurus. Dino. Okay, come on. Let's get out of here.
Let's go get your Chick-fil-A.
Look at the big one. That's a big one. Look. What is that? That's a T-Rex. Whoa. T-Rex. Okay. He's out. We're out. Hey-oh, so it is not Chick-fil-A Friday yet, but it is Chick-fil-A Day.
I guess it's gonna be IKEA.
Oh, did you just burp?
Yeah.
Oh, nice burp for you, Zach.
Thank
So
you,
Zach,
Jesus.
thank you, Jesus, for the food. Look at Zach. He's like a shark in the water, just hungry for his mac and cheese. Jack,
He's
just sitting there. Sorry.
Yeah, playing
Sorry,
with
we can never see you.
Iron
We got to set up your mirror there. But we're at we just finished up there. Oh, look at my zip. Ew. We just finished their appointment. And we were around the area, so I was like, we might as well swing by IKEA. We need to grab a couple things anyways. So we are, before we go in, having a little snack with Zach and Jack and Mama. Bye. So we are taking a family trip to IKEA. Jack. Hi, buddies. IKEA trip. Whoa. All right, let's go. Through here. You want to just go all the way from the beginning? Yeah. All right.